Mister.
Goodbye, Raisa.
Thank you.
Okay, let's continue. A good opening statement is fairly brief atau singkat ya, but uses language techniques to make an immediate impact. Okay, and then the next. Oh, Marvel, do you have bad connection?
Sinyalnya Mister kadang-kadang bisa turun Mister.
Oh, okay. Okay, and then the third, make a body paragraph or argument. The main body of your speech is where you make your arguments. Divide this main body into 2 or 3 points and separate each point into different paragraphs. Intinya in here, you make your own argument about the topic, gitu ya. For example, the topic is about gaming ya, gaming developing, game development gitu ya. For example, how successful Genshin Impact is. Nah, di situ kalian berargumen, kenapa sih kok Genshin Impact itu bisa menjadi sangat terkenal dalam waktu yang singkat, ya. Atau mungkin Mobile Legend, ya, Mobile Legend yang dituntut oleh Riot, ya, why they has been reported by Riot, karena mereka melakukan plagiasi. Nah, itu kalian bisa taruh argumen di situ. And then the last ends with a wonderful conclusion. Nah, at the end comes to the conclusion. A good conclusion takes everything you said and sums it up. Nah, jadi misalnya nih, your topic is how Genshin Impact successful in a short time. Nah, habis itu kalian bikin poinnya. Poin nomor 1, poin nomor 2, poin nomor 3. Nah, langsung di conclusion-nya langsung tulis saja. Sebentar ya, ini kok berbunyi. Oke, langsung di conclusion-nya kalian langsung tulis saja. So, Genshin Impact is popular because bla bla bla. Okay, now I have example. Lionel, please read the example of text, all of them.
Okay, Mr. Introducing. Hello and thank you for taking the time to listen. My name is Lawrence Mart, and I'm here today to talk to you about opening statement. I'm here to talk to you about what ordinary people can do to fight against climate change. Why? Because we're running out of time to act. Body paragraph. Climate change is an issue in every part of the world. This issue comes up with bad clearance of the pollution from factory and vehicles. Conclusion: climate change is impossible to be stopped. What way possible to reduce it?
Okay, thank you, Lionel. Marvel, please read the example of the text.
Introduction. Hello and thank you for taking the time to listen. My name is Lawrence Mark and I am here today to
Okay, relax ya. Silakan lanjut.
to you about what ordinary people can do to fight against the climate change. Why? Because we're running out of time to act.
Okay.
Every part of it comes up with bad clearance of the pollution from factory and vehicles. Conclusions. Climate change is impossible to be stopped, but very possible to reduce it.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Marvel. So this is the example of text ya. If you notice that the style of writing is good ya, dalam artian itu formal ya, formal way. Contoh nih, for introduction, kalian biasanya kan, hello guys, my name is Lionel Jaden, and I am here to explain about blah blah blah. Gitu ya kan misalnya. Nah, in here, in formal way, Lionel will say, hello and thank you for taking time to listen. My name is Lionel Jaden, and I'm here today to talk to you about what ordinary people can do to fight against climate change. Nah, jadi lebih formal, lebih santai, tapi lebih impactful. Impactful itu lebih berpengaruh daripada presentasi biasa, gitu ya. Okay. So now I will give you an example of video. Lionel, internet kamu oke kan?
Oke, tapi takutnya kayak nggak oke gitu. Tapi sih sekarang oke.
Oke, nggak apa-apa. You guys stay close your camera, it's okay. Oke. Mister nggak ngelarang ya, karena kalau ya Marvel,
Mister, can Mister share the link, Mister?
oh share the link aja.
Bisa, kadang-kadang bisa item.
Oke, Lionel juga share the link aja ya. Nanti ditonton sendiri, oke?
Oke.
Okay, I already shared the link. Okay, please watch it and tell me if you are done. Jangan tidur ya.
Yang Batak ya Pak? Antara bertiga nilainya ya? Ya sebenarnya kalau mau
Okay, let me replay ya guys ya. Ini buat Raisa aja, kalian nggak usah jawab. Okay, so this is the example of video. Nah, I think that the video is interesting because like the topic is good, yeah, about gender equality, and then the pronunciation is also good because Emma Watson gives her feelings to her pronunciation, yeah. And then Emma Watson is a cool person because she is young, yet she is brave to speech in front of the audiences. And then when I watch the video, I feel captivated atau tertarik gitu ya, kayak wah orang ini keren banget loh, sampai Mister tuh kayak bener-bener memperhatikan dia tuh ngomong apa aja. Okay, so if you don't have anything to ask, so now we will do some assignments today. Now, our assignment today, make a speech between these topics. First, you can choose corruption. Second, you can choose poverty. And then the third, you can choose world hunger. Lionel, do you know what poverty is?
Kemiskinan.
Yep, kemiskinan ya. Jadi korupsi, kemiskinan, atau kelaparan di seluruh dunia. Ya, this assignment is supposed to be long. Makanya Mister jam 2 baru udah ngasih tugas, karena speech ini intinya tuh ada di pekerjaan kalian, bukan penjelasan Mister ya. Jadi kalian harus melakukan riset dulu ya. Kalian melakukan riset dulu, terus kalian cari tahu kenapa penyebabnya itu seperti ini, seperti itu, baru kalian tulis gitu ya. Mister perkirakan 30 menit, 40 menit selesai. Lionel, bisa?
Bisa, Mister.
Bisa. Marvel, bisa?
Bisa, Mister.
Oke, mengerjakannya memakai jenis paragraf ya. Paragraf. Jadi kalian tulis tuh dari awal, dari strukturnya ini, kalian menurut strukturnya dari introduction, terus opening statement, body paragraph, and conclusion. Ya, do not forget to do some research. Jangan ngawur ya, kalian lihat Google banyak. Okay, so time is yours. And Lionel, what you gonna pick between corruption, poverty, or world hunger?
Maybe about the poverty.
About poverty, okay, nice. I am looking forward to it, yeah. Marvel, how about you? Corruption, poverty, or world hunger?
World hunger.
World hunger, okay, I'm looking for it. So time is yours, guys.
Okay, Mister.
Okay,
Hello, and thank you for taking the time to listen my speech today. My name is Liana Jaden, and I'm here today to talk about poverty in Africa. Africa is a country that currently occupies the fourth poorest country in the world. Africa is a poor country because a number of ecological factors that influence historical development. These factors include low population density, lack of livestock and crops, and the geography of Africa. The poverty in Africa have a solution such as increased investment, improved infrastructure, improving human resources, and the others. So that helps Africa.
okay, thank you, Lionel. Marvel, please presentate your work.
World hunger. Hello, and thank you for taking the time to listen. My name is Marvel, and I am here today to talk to you about world hunger. I'm here to explain about world hunger. World hunger occurs because there are many poor people out there who cannot eat because they are hungry. World hunger is where poor people starve first because they don't have money to buy food because they are just begging and don't want to work, so they are starving. World hunger can be stopped if poor people work and rich people have to give food to poor and hungry people.
Okay, Marvel, I want to ask one thing. Poor people do not want to work or unable to find work.
Unable means
Unable ya, kalau do not want itu berarti nggak mau ya. But not every poor people do not want to get a job. Most of them cannot get a job. Nah, this is complex one. So Marvel, I hope you improve it. Like why they cannot search a job because their education maybe or because they feel hopeless maybe. Nah, di sini biar dijelaskan sedikit lagi aja udah bagus ini ya. So please explain more why they cannot find a job gitu ya. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, that's fine. So guys, I will give you homework ya. Okay. So the homework as usual, I will ask you to make a video. Yeah. The time is 2 weeks. Hmm. Okay, guys. So your homework is to make a video, and I will give you 2 weeks. Yeah. So 2 weeks to work it on. So your work is to give a speech to your family. Boleh mengajak satu member anggota keluarga atau semuanya atau lebih ya, terserah. Nah, make sure you and your family is in the frame of the video. Ya, mungkin kalau nanti kalian nggak paham boleh chat Mister gimana nih enaknya settingannya gimana gitu. Pokoknya di dalam video tersebut harus ada kamu dan keluarga kamu. Nah, terus for your writing expand it ya. Jadi Lionel memang sudah tidak ada salah, tapi it is better to expand your writing ya, dicari tahu backgroundnya itu kenapa kok bisa seperti itu, terus apa namanya kesulitan apa yang dihadapi oleh orang yang mengalami kemiskinan dan bagaimana mereka bisa keluar dari kemiskinan. It is okay to discuss it about that ya. Marvel juga, Marvel di lebih spesifik lagi ya untuk world hunger. Kenapa world hunger terjadi? Terus solusinya bagaimana, terus apa namanya, negara mana saja yang mengalami world hunger paling besar. Nah, boleh dikasih presentasi ya. Contohnya maybe Afrika mengalami 90% orangnya itu mengalami kelaparan. Nah, contohnya Lionel juga boleh gitu. Afrika mengalami 60% orangnya mengalami kemiskinan. Nah, that will be great because you give what is it? You give charts atau istilahnya tuh data gitu ya. Kalau ada datanya kan lebih reliable atau lebih terpercaya seperti itu. Lionel, paham nggak PR-nya?
Paham, Mister.
Marvel, paham nggak PR-nya?
Mister,
Understand, Mister?
Ya, Lionel ada apa?
jadi kayak PR-nya itu jadi kayak misalnya orang kan tadi kan bikinnya itu kan yang kemiskinan di Afrika. Jadi tuh harus lebih lengkap lagi sambil Ona kasih tahu ke apa kayak pidato ke satu keluarga misalnya.
Iya, benar sekali. Gimana? Sudah paham?
Paham, Mister.
Ya, jadi intinya adalah writing-nya diperluas lagi, lalu dipresentasikan ke keluarga. Ingat tanpa PowerPoint ya. Jadi langsung aja. Oke, Lionel, Marvel.
Oke,
Oke, so wait, Mister ada GrabFood sebentar ya. Sebentar aja, mohon maaf. Okay, Lionel and Marvel, do you have any question before we end?
No, Mister.
No.
No, Mister.
Okay, no ya. I think it's clear enough. Lionel, please screenshot this slide.
Already, Mister.
Okay, please send it to the group.
I cannot, Mister, because my group, English group, and my device is different.
Oh, oke. Oke. Marvel, bisa di screenshot lalu di share ke grup?
I can.
Oke, silakan. Lionel, do you confident enough to talk in front of your family?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I'm looking forward. How about you, Marvel? Will you be confident enough to talk in front of your family?
I think confident.
You think confident? Okay, so let us end this. What is it? Let us end our meeting today. And I am looking forward to your video. Please give your best, yeah? Give your best because I will show it to Miss Nanda. I mean, I will be proud of you if you do your best. Mister, tapi aku udah melakukan the best, tapi masih kurang, Mister. That's fine. As long as you follow this, these requirements, ya, explain your writing, find out the background, why is it happening, bla bla bla. Tapi kalian tetap merasa kurang, ya, it's fine. Pokoknya kalian sudah merasa melakukan yang terbaik. Okay, so I will stop my screen share.